Number 2, creating a business plan, the importance of a business plan and how to create one for your online business. Welcome to this video on creating a business plan. A business plan is a roadmap for your online business that outlines your goals, strategies, and financial projections. It's important to create a business plan because it will help you stay focused and organized as you grow your business. When creating a business plan, start with an executive summary that provides an overview of your business. Next, describe your products or services, target market, competition, and marketing strategies. Include financial projections that outline your revenue and expenses. Remember to revisit and revise your business plan regularly to ensure it remains relevant and accurate as your business grows.